to this latex course. So today we are starting a new section, that is academic writing or academic documentation. So we will be starting with the document creation, right? So we'll see how to create the CV like this, and we can also give the reference link. Okay, so how we can create this type of professional CV. Okay, we most probably prefer this type of CV or this type of format for IIT. Okay, so that's why I'm just how I have written all these codes. Okay, so we will see this code, but by part we'll see how to create this section by part, and then how we'll create different sections. Okay, so but I'll not write the full code. I'll just explain the code. Okay, and the code will be provided to you, okay, in the resource file, okay, on my website. Okay, so don't worry about this because it will be very much like big files, right? So you will have to only understand how it is written, and all the codes will be provided after end of the each lecture, right? So, or you can follow my YouTube channel, subscribe it, so you will get all these updates, and you can see all the modules. So previous module was the data visualization, all the plots and everything was there, right? And before that it was like fundamentals of the latex, right? Text and all these things. Okay, then you can also get certified by taking my course on the Udemy platform, and it is the highest rated till now. Okay, so you can take this course here for the minimal cost. Okay, and you will get the certifications also. So all these lectures I also upload there, but with the proper resources, and also there is like quizzes and assignments. Okay, so a project is also given. Okay, so you can also buy, it will be good for you. 450 is nothing for who want to learn or aspire. Okay, so you can follow my LinkedIn profile also. Okay, so you will get notification. And one thing also, it is free course available on my website akasharya.in/courses. Okay, so where you will get all these materials. Okay, also there. So, okay, the fundamental of latex I have created earlier. That was the module 1, and all these things was there: figure alignment, how to create tables, okay, and how to create change the hyperlinks, coloring cells and tables, right? Everything was done. And in the module 2nd, I have done with the data visualization, all these plotting, subplot, everything, graph, radar plot, bar plot, scatter plot, everything was I have covered, okay, in the module 2nd, right? So you can see. Okay, so I think around 23 lectures I have covered. Okay, 23 lectures I have covered. So maybe, okay, 22 I have covered. Now we'll be starting with the CV making. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just in the part 1 I'll cover only this thing. Okay, so what I can do, I can just go to the section, and I've already written for the code for the part 1. Just go to the upload project, and I have to upload the zip file. So that is the CV, then zip file. Okay, so that will be good for you to understand the part by part, so you can actually understand the how code is written. Okay, so in the part 1 we will just see the, so it is compiling, we'll just see the, okay, so we'll just see this section how we have created. Okay, so first we have created the document class A4 paper 10 PT articles. Okay, so after that we'll have to give some use packages. Okay, so that use packages we have already discussed about that. Packages is just like a skeleton for your body. Okay, for body need, you will need your skeleton that reflects your body, how it looks like. Okay, so these are just packages like skeleton for your CV. Okay, So CV is your body, you can see, but for the each things you will have to create, like you will have to create the tables, so you will have to give the tabular packages. Then it can it create the tables like this. Okay, so that is the main thing. So we have created graphics X. Okay, so graphics for the graph. Okay, any type of graphs or figures you will have to take, so that you will have to give the packages graphics X. Okay, and here we have given the margin, left, right, and bottom, top. Okay, and then we have given the book tabs, and then for the URL, attaching URL, you will have to give the URL. For numbering items, okay, so numbering items you will have to give numerical item. Okay, then we have given the Platino, and with the tables for tabular, ticks for the diagrams if you are taking any diagrams, and after that hyperref if you are giving the reference link to the any text. Okay, then now you will have to give the hyper setup. Okay, hyper setup is what your color of the link should look like. Okay, so color link, site color should be black, file color if you are giving the hyperlink or hyper reference to any file, that should be black, link color should be black. Okay, and URL color should be black. When you see any type of in the like documents or somewhere, so when you give the URL to any type of text, so it becomes in the, or it reflects in the like default color, that is sky blue, right? Somewhere you see. Okay, so here we are taking here only the black color. Okay, now font family we are taking the sans serif. Okay, so select font is to select the font, and then font, all these things are here. Now we'll have to take the color, so you'll have to also give the color packages, and what colors should we are using, the my gray and gray. Okay, and we are giving the strength or density of the color, okay, 0.82, and then what should be the text height, that should be 9.75 inches. Okay, this is the basic height. Okay, then we have the separation between the pages, okay, or lines. Okay, so -2 pt -0, this is for the label separation. Okay, how after creating all these things, so what should be the separation for this. Okay, and now we have created the page style for empty, so it should not reflect anything on the text or background, right? Okay, now these are the some custom commands I have created. Okay, so what is the custom command? So we'll have to take vertical space in the items, color box should be. Okay, what should be the mini page? So we have discussed in earlier section how we created the two graphs or something with the mini page. Okay, condition, mini page code, and what should be the tabular. Okay, tabular means what should be the tables reflects, how should be the density of these lines, all these things, like. Okay, and what should be the text of these, okay, italic or something like this. Okay, so we are giving also the number of these things. Okay, so this is for the basic things that we will have to write. Okay, these are the important things, the packages or conditions that you will have to use this for creating all these CV. Okay, so you can have your particular things in your on if needed. Okay, otherwise it is like it's enough for this CV we are creating. Okay, so after that the things come to the main, how we create this, all these things. Okay, so first of all we start with the begin document. Okay, and this is some commands we have written, blank or white space for this type of okay, or for the origin. Okay, just now we start with the table. So what we are doing, we are taking it as a table. Okay, this is for the first column, and this is our second column, and this is our third column. Okay, so this type of criteria we are following. So we are just begin with the table, and for creating the table section we'll have to take begin mini page, because we are taking mini page because we are taking the graph here also in the table. So that's why we have to take the begin mini page. Okay, and these are things the table column. Okay, so in the first this uh, code reflects our first column. Okay, so we are taking the graph, the width 0.085, and we are taking in the column, it should be in the center. Okay, so and then for including the graphics, we use the include graphics, and this is our file name, include graphics.eps, and then emini page. Now then again we have to take the different these two tables, and then because in these two tables we have like text, so we can take in the one mini page. Okay, so these are the second or third column. So we have taken the 0.65, this is the line width of the table, and set length, we have created the length between these two, 7pt, and then array stretch, how we have stretches this text, and then we have discussed about the begin created the table. Okay, so begin tabular LL, so L or L. Okay, so these are the two tables. Then we have given the text BF, this is our name. This is our name. You can give here your URL also. I have given my own URL, so you have given your URL, your url.com, right? So this is, and here you can write your name, so it will reflect your name, and you can write your website, www.yourwebsite. Okay, so this will create your website. Okay, yourwebsite.com, right? So here you can give your website name, and then text BF. So BF is basically bold font, so it will come in the bold font. Then you can give your, like in the LinkedIn ID, you can give your LinkedIn ID. Okay, so LinkedIn ID, you can give your LinkedIn ID, and then you can give your department, whatever your department is, physics department. Okay, and then after that you can give your end tabular. So just keep in mind, when you begin with the tabular, you will have to also give the end tabular. Okay, and then after that begin many page, then you will have to give end many page. Then horizontal fill is for the horizontal space. Okay, then end table. So this is begin table and then end table. So this is one full table for us. Okay, so this is the code, full code for this section. Okay, now we come to the next section, how we have created this table. Okay, this is like 4 by 4, we can say, like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 by 4 4 by 4 table. Okay, so let's say we have set the length here 25 pt. Okay, and then now we have started with the begin table, and let's say centering, so all things should be in the center in the column. And then we are taking that begin tabular 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2 3 4 or 5, right? Now let's say text BF examination, so one examination, then and text BF stream. So BF is, we are giving here for the bold, and top rule is basically for the this line. Okay, and top rule is for the this line again. Okay, now we have to give these type of condition after each row. Okay, when you fill the row, then you will have to give this double column. Okay, okay, and now you have given all these your education, then you will have to create the bottom rule. So that is the bottom rule, and then you will have to take the this vertical space. Okay, now end tabular, so we'll have to end this section. Okay, and end table. Okay, so this will be end for this section, and then we have created the, we have taken a space of 0.5 centimeter vertical space. Then we have taken a draw the this line. Okay, dash dot line. Okay, so this is the part 1. Hope you have understood the basics of this coding, how we have created. If you like this video, just subscribe my YouTube channel, so you will get all these updates, or you can find this resource file on my particular website, where I'll upload the lecture here, and then you can go to the code file and you will get. Okay. And in the next video, we will go to the next section, how we will create the next like say our research interest and everything, all other columns or other sections. And if you like this course, you can also buy this course here for certification, and you can follow my subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you so much, and wait for the next video, and hope you liked it, and thank you so much.